illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a chipmunk character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our chipmunk character. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly curved line for the bottom of our chipmunk's head. And we'll add like a dome shape on top here to finish it off. Now our chipmunk is going to be running, so we need its body to look like it's doing that action. So we're going to start underneath of the chipmunk's head here. We're going to curve down, come across, and curve back up. So it almost looks like a mushroom. So we're going to move straight into our character's leg here. We want to make a curve. We'll add its little foot and then curve back. And now we'll make the lead leg or the front leg over here. We'll do a curve, a little foot, and go back to meet the body there. And we'll move straight up here and work on this arm. Curve up there. And we'll see 3 little fingers, 1, 2, 3. And curve back. And now we'll make the arm on the outside here. Make it curve up, and we'll make it look the same as this one, just over here on this spot instead. 1, 2, 3. And curve. And we'll add a little line here. This will help us have some fun with color later because you can make our chipmunk's tummy a different color than the outside. Now chipmunks have pretty fun tails. So we're going to follow along this curve that we have on our chipmunk's back. And we'll just make a little tail . And chipmunks typically have stripes of like black and white and brown. So we'll just add a little detail here on our tail and add 2 stripes along the back as well. So the next thing that we're going to focus on is our chipmunk's head. So we'll begin with the ears and then we'll move into the chipmunk's face. So the ears are very small, right on top here. And we'll add an outer layer. So we'll start by building our chipmunk's face from its nose. So we want to put the nose down here towards the bottom center of the chipmunk's head, and it is just an upside down triangle there. And the eyes of our chipmunk are going to be large oval shapes. 1, 2. And we'll put some pupils in here. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of my paper showing through. And if you've done other videos with me, you might have seen this before, but that just creates what's called an eye highlight. And that just adds some depth to your character and makes them look a little bit more professional, which is always a good thing. All right, now we have to make our chipmunk look really, really happy, and the best way to do that is by adding a really big smile. And just like we put some stripes along the back of our chipmunk and the tail, we're going to add a few stripes going up from the nose of our character. And we need 2 little eyebrows as well. And I also love when we can put a couple little stripes underneath of our chipmunk's eyes here. All right, illustrators, so now that we have the outline of our character, we want to make sure that this character looks like it's in motion. So the best way to do that is by adding some action lines and also just like a little shadow underneath here, as well as some ground lines just to show that our character is like in midair and running from something. So now that we've got our outline, the next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our chipmunk character. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Wonderful work today, illustrators. I am so impressed. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time on Art with Ashley B. Bye!